Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Now here in PFTrack I am going to see how we can open any projects in PFTrack which is not listed in our PFTrack project list. So this is our recent project on which just I have worked. So first you have to check your project list, then simply just click on your project in downside. Now here you can see, so these are your projects on which you have worked. So suppose if you want to open any existing project which is listed here, then simply you can double click on that project and simply you can open here like this. Suppose PFTrack start to finish, just select this one and just simply double click. Okay, so you can simply just open your any recent project on which you have worked here. Okay, but here just I am going to see how we can open any project which is not listed here. Suppose now here you can see I have two projects here, which is first one, this one our car project folder, and this is our car project, and second one our lenses project. Okay, so inside this you can see this is our lenses project. So I want to open these two projects in PFTrack, but these projects are not listed here. Okay, so how we can open any project which is not listed in your project list? So first just I am going to import our this car project. So just minimize this one. So you can check here, these two projects are not listed here, so easily you can notice here. So now I am going to open both projects here. So here you can easily see in PFTrack there is no any options like in other softwares open project like this. So in other softwares you will get open project option, but in PFTrack there is no option like that. So here if you will notice here some options are there. So here just I am going to cover some important options for our existing project or for any project on which you want to work. So here you can see just first option, relink. Relink means you can link any project or you can add any project in our project list. So first we have to click on relink. From here you can select your project folder. So just I have selected. From here you can select your drive, then after this folder. Now this is our car project folder. Now open and select this car project. So just I have selected this one, simply click on open. Now you can see this is our car project. Now after this we have to load our this project in PFTrack interface. Now just simply double click on our car project. Then after this you can simply click on any node. So just I am going to click here. So now easily you can see here. So you have just successfully opened your first project. Now after this just I am going to open our this lenses project here. Okay, so now please note that here first project which is our car project, just I have shifted from one folder to another folder, means just I have transferred my this project from one drive to another drive. But the second project which is our lenses project, just I have taken from other computer or from other person. So if you are taking your project from other person or from other computer, so it is also important that you have to also take footage on which they have worked. So this is important. So these are two different projects here. Just come in our project folder list. Now even you can see here there is no any lenses projects here. So first we have to relink our project, then click on again relink. Now you can select this is our project. Now you can see here, so just lenses project. Now click on open. Now simply you have added our lenses project here. Now you can see, now just double click here. Now you have opened your project here. Now just simply double click on our last node here. Now just double click here. Now you can see here. So your project is loaded here, but it's showing missing media files. Means suppose just little bit come here. So if you are getting any project from any other person or from any other computers, this is important that you have to also take your footage on which you have worked. So this is important that, so just I have taken here our lenses footage, but by default it will not relink our media. First we have to load our project in PFTrack, after this we can relink our missing footage or missing media. So now I have successfully loaded our project here, but it's showing missing media. Now just I am going to see how you can relink your missing media in PFTrack. So you can apply this method on any project. This is existing project, or if you are getting from other persons like this. Okay, now just for this, just simply, so this is our tree panel. So just top here you will see this is our one more option. Now just click here. Now here you can see this is our media. Now right side you will see status is bad, means this is missing files. Now you have to select this one. Down side you will get relink option. So from here you can relink your missing media or missing footage. Now just click here. Now from here you can select your folder or a footage. So just D drive. So you can select any folder on which you have saved your footage. So this is our footage. This is not important that in same folder you have to place your footage. So anywhere in system you can select your footage. So this is our footage. So just select this one. Now press OK. Now here you can check status is OK. Now again click on same options. Now just play and check here. So just click here. Now you can see, just play here. So before playing, just catch this footage because you can see in real time. Now just catch it here. Now again just play and check. Now here easily you can see you have successfully linked your missing media files in PFTrack. So like this you can relink any missing media files in PFTrack. So now again just click on again project options. Now here you can see, so some other options are here. Suppose if you want to remove any project from this list, then simply you can select, then from unlink option, with the help of unlink option you can simply remove your project from here. So just check here. So just I have selected this one. Same from you can unlink from here. Again click on yes. So just I have removed that project. Now just click on our car project here. Just double click here. So just I have loaded again this one here. So again click on just project folder. Now suppose if you want to delete your project permanent, so then you can first you have to load your project here. Then from downside you will see delete option. So if you will click on delete, it will remove your project from this list, and also it will completely remove this project from your hard drive. This is also important, that if you will click on delete project option, it will entirely delete your project from here and from your hard drive also. So please beware of this delete options. It will delete entirely your project from your hard drive also. So if you like this video, please watch, like and share, and subscribe my channel if you are still not subscribed my channel.